So, hi dear Taurus, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general mid monthly energy check in for all the Taurus, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for the month of May 2026. It's not a love reading or career or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. So, okay, so as this is a general reading, so please keep in mind that it might or might not resonate. Okay, even if it is going to resonate 100% with you, just take the messages as the guidance only, not as some kind of life changing event. Whatever decisions or choices you guys are going to make based on my readings is your responsibility, not mine or my channels. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box, will find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Okay, let's see Taurus. Overall energy for Taurus people for the month of May 2026. Let's see. Overall energy for Taurus people for the month of May 2026. So we have the Sun card, the Strength card, and the Star card. Lot of happiness, lot of healing, lot of energy of holding back too. So you guys are going to have crystal clear clarity about something or someone, maybe some department of your life. And then you guys are going to have this energy of, okay, let's take a step back and let this unfold. And then you guys are going to remain in a very optimistic, positive, happy-go-lucky, and very healed kind of energies actually in this month. Something within yourself is shifting from the level of I'm never going to do this again to the level of okay, I'm going to open up now. Although I'm going to take baby steps, or I'm going to like take one step in 1 year, but I'm open to the idea of healing, or I'm open to the idea of remaining optimistic and positive and uh, very much in this energy of okay, let's move forward, let's live life to the fullest. Okay, Taurus, a lot of happiness, a lot of healing, and lot of this energy of using your strength and courage in your favor is going to be your overall energy. These are three major arcana cards, so it can be one of those life changing months for you guys. It's Taurus season, of course, so definitely this is going to be some kind of life changing and very positive and happy go lucky kind of a month for you guys. Awesome. Let's see what was happening in the recent past. Eight of Swords, you guys were in your head about something or someone all the time, and you were not able to think positive about the situation. It was like a lot of overthinking, mentally trapped kind of energy. Okay, let me see. In the current situation, let's see what we have, Taurus. Page of Wands, you are trying your best to take things lightly, take your life lightly, not to take anything or anyone so seriously. Just connecting with your inner child and having fun as much as you can with people, situations, and things. By the end of this month, we have the King of Cups. Lot of emotional happiness, emotionally grounded and mature kind of energy that you guys are going to feel towards life in general, I guess. Let's clarify these cards in order to get the clear picture. Let's clarify the Eight of Swords in the recent past for you guys. Taurus. We have the Empress and the Wheel of Fortune and the Queen of Pentacles. Okay. So there was a really beautiful kind of energy that you connected with. It made you feel like lots of happiness, lots of growth and expansion, and everything was working out. It was like one of those energies that was too good to be true. So you added a lot of overthinking in that. Like you started something. It can be like a relationship, it can be a friendship, it can be a business deal, it can be you like taking care of yourself, and everything started working out in your favor suddenly out of the blue, and you were not ready for that. You were like, oh my god, what is happening? Like, why everything is suddenly working out in my favor? And it's too good to be true, so there might be something wrong, with the universe, because it's giving me everything. Wow. So things started shifting in your favor, and you started overthinking, you started mixing uh, negative thinking in a positive energy. Okay, that's humanly, that's fine. Let's clarify the Page of Wands in the current energies. So I have the Queen of Swords, the Tower, and the Ace of Cups. Your heart is bursting wide open. From this rude bitch energy to I don't care about existence of anybody on this planet Earth apart from me, to this energy of oh my god, my heart is opening up and I'm feeling lively again, I'm feeling hopeful again, I'm feeling positive again, and my life is really beautiful. Like suddenly your life is becoming more and more colorful, more and more exciting. A lot of good people, good vibes, good energies are there around you, and or you are feeling this energy from inside that you're like I don't care about anybody on this planet Earth, to this energy of oh my god, everything is so beautiful, I am so happy, I'm so beautiful. So your heart is like opening up to new people, new situations, new bonds, new connection, new experiences, and your life is becoming colorful. And it's happening so unexpectedly. You are not able to believe it. You are like surprised and shocked. What is happening, Taurus? Taurus. Let's clarify the King of Cups by the end of this month. I'll try to do the readings again in the mid of May 2026, but for the time being, let's see. We have the Queen of Wands, the Moon card, and the King of Wands. Mm-hmm. A secret affair. Okay. So there I do see two people very attracted to each other, very much in tune with each other, very aligned with each other's energy. And then there is a lot of fear. Okay. I do see a lot of love coming in your life. Okay. For most of you, it's romantic love. For others of you, it can be like life giving you so much love from so many people, so many situations, so many things, and you are going to feel very much at peace, very much aligned with your life, your own life, very much in this energy of okay, finally everything is working out in my favor. Finally, the bad days are over. Okay, and then I do see a bond, a connection here, where two people equally interested and invested in each other, equally attracted to each other, both of them having a really good personality, both of them having this energy of we are a good match, we are a match made in heaven kind of energy, super connected energy, super in tune, super in alignment. And then there's a lot of fear in between, like nobody's budging in, nobody's saying anything, but both of you can feel it on a deeper level that there is something going on. What's cooking, Taurus? So this is like a person, this is like an energy entering in your space. Both of you are feeling the pull, the attraction, the happiness, the butterflies in the stomach, the love, and both of you are scared as shit, like what the hell is happening? What should I do now? Okay, you are falling in love, they are falling in love, there's a lot of love, there's a lot of attraction. Now it can be a person, or it can be your own health, your own connection with yourself, like you're doing something for your health maybe, or you're like healing your relationship with yourself. But whatever it is, it can be your business also. Whatever it is going to have a really beautiful energy exchange between two energies, right? Between like yeah, two energies. And then there's a lot of fear in between that is self created. There's a lot of doubt, insecurities, and maybe hidden feelings that you guys are not expressing or saying, but it's felt from both the sides on a very very deeper level actually. Okay, Taurus, what's happening? What's cooking, Taurus? It's beautiful. It's like the ingredient of love is there, passion is there, fire is there, attraction is there, and then the major ingredient is fear. Let's add a lot of fear and make this messy, because how the hell it's going to be so much easy? You earned it, you did it. But no, you're like no, something is fishy. Okay, let's see the guidance here for you guys, Taurus, for this month. We have the 10 of cups and the sun card and the 8 of pentacles. Take it step by step, instead of jumping all in the situation like crazy or running away in the opposite direction because it's too good to be true. Take it like one day at a time kind of energy, right? Keep on keep on spreading positivity and happiness. Keep on connecting with people who are like family to you, or your literal family members maybe. Stay in touch with your inner child, stay in high vibrations, stay in this energy of spreading your joy and happiness wherever you are going, and start doing things step by step. You might be having this tendency right now to go in the extremes. Either you are all in a situation or you are completely out of a situation, and that in itself is not going to help you in any way. So find a middle ground, take things slowly, like slowly but surely everything is going to get unfolded the way it should be. But for the time being, try to not to go to the extremes either way, right? And stay in touch with your inner child, keep on spreading your happiness, your positivity. Bingo. Life is good. Okay, let's see the final message for you guys, Taurus, for this month. Okay, a wonderful new idea. You guys are going to have some kind of bingo moment, aha moment. You guys are going to get some kind of idea, in maybe especially related to your work or job or career or finances. Don't allow bumps in the road to hinder your progress. Don't allow obstacles or challenges to stop you from moving forward in a particular direction. That idea can lead to some kind of great success in the coming future, Taurus. Clear up communication problem with others. If you're having any kind of communication problem with anyone, especially if it is related to your work or job or financial area, try to clear the air with that particular person or situation as quickly as possible, because it can become something really nasty in the coming future if not taken care of, right? Whether it's like personal or professional. So there is, if there is some kind of issue, sort it out right now. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.